When you think of a Dyson pulsing, this is the noise that we imagine. It's there to tell us that the airways are blocked. It could be a blockage, it could be a dusty cyclone, it could be a dirty filter. If you need any help on that, by the way, I have a perfect video for you in the top corner now. But the pulsing I've come across today isn't the normal pulsing. And my customer has been doing loads of research, he's bought loads of parts to try and fix it, and with no success. So here is the weird pulsing for you. Okay, so we imagine that the motor is totally cream crackered. I personally think that it's water damaged. If you look, the screen's fine, it doesn't come up with any warnings, it's just the motor making this strange behaviour. Let's listen to that sound again. It's like some kind of budgie stuck in there. If you do have this strange problem, you can buy just the body of the Dyson. It comes with a brand new motor and a brand new circuit board. They're not cheap, but they're much cheaper than buying a complete vacuum cleaner. If you have the standard pulsing and the airways blocked message displaying on your vacuum cleaner, don't forget to check out my other video here, and that will help you cure it.